Okay, here's the first trailer. Looks like a post-World War II trailer. Tailgate's rusted out on it. It's the bed. Fairly straight. Can require a little work. A lot of surface rust all the way around. It's going to need new tires, of course. Okay, see what it looks like next video. And I just used the winch on the Jeep to turn this bad boy over on its bottom. Tub's welded, so I can't remove the tub. So, but it's not too bad. As you can see, the floor looks pretty good. Just gonna sand her down, get some good rust preventative paint on there, go from there. Okay, so here it is with the first coat of primer on the bottom. Looking pretty good. A lot of work, a lot of sanding, but it's looking good. Okay, so the undercarriage is all done. Sanded down, painted, and gone ahead and taken care of the inside. Got that all sanded down, painted. It's primed right now. Waiting for it to dry. I've been fighting off the rain all day, but as you can see, it's starting to look pretty good. Okay. Okay, so got the welds all done. Sorry I couldn't get any more video between now and then. Little body putty. Got the fenders off. Initial sanding. Be going from there. Overall, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so got the fenders on, painted, tires are back on. Little touch-up work tomorrow. Looks nothing like it did when it got here. Okay. Okay, so been working on the tailgate a little bit. Remember, it was rusted out at the bottom where the hinges went, so I picked up a piece of scrap steel and tacked it in place. So haven't scraped or done anything like that to the welds. My angle grinder stopped working on me. So pick up a new one and get this cleaned up, get ready to put it back on, paint it up. A little bit, but here's the tailgate. Fighting the weather again today, sorry about the lighting out here. But as you can see, I welded a piece of steel on where the gate had been rusted out. Then I welded that back to the frame. And let me unhatch this. And voila! We have a working tailgate. Hope you guys enjoy it. So, new tail lights are in. Got something that would match up to the trailer pretty nice. All wiring's loomed in. Okay, folks, got the reflectors on the side, new lights, and oh my goodness, it's got a tailgate. New lights, tailgate, looking good, chains for the tailgate. Well, it's taken about 3 or 4 weekends of good solid work. But it's basically done.